Hello and welcome back to Stitchcraft. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this very easy and beginner-friendly dice bag or trinket bag. These are the materials that you will need. To start off, make a magic ring or chain 4, then slip stitch into the 4th chain from the hook. So into the first chain that you made. Then to slip stitch, insert your hook into that chain, then yarn over and pull through that loop on your hook. You will now be working into the center of this ring. To start off, you want to chain 2, then turn your work, and you will be making 8 double crochets into the center of the ring. Double crochet, yarn over, then insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through until you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. When you finish making the 8 double crochets, you will be slip stitching into the first chain 2, like shown here. Chain 2 and turn your work. In the second round, we will be increasing all the way around, so we will be making 2 double crochets in each stitch. The chain 2 counts as a double crochet, so we will just be making 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We'll be moving on to the next stitch. We'll be making 2 double crochets in it. Then you want to repeat this all the way around. Another thing you could do to make this easier is place a stitch marker into the first stitch, so that you know when you get to the end of your round. Once again, when you get to the end of your round, you want to slip stitch into the chain 2. Chain 2 and turn your work, and for the third round we are going to be increasing around again, so this will be a repeat of round 2 where you will be making 2 double crochets in each stitch. Again, the chain 2 counts as our first stitch, so you only need to make 1 more double crochet in there. For rounds 4 to 7, we are going to be repeating round 3, so we will be increasing in every stitch around. Around 8 you will be making a double crochet and then a decrease in the next stitch. Since our chain 2 counts as our first stitch, we are going to start by decreasing into the next stitch. Do so, yarn over and insert your hook, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 stitches. Then yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops on your hook. Now we will be making a double crochet into the next stitch. A decrease, and you just want to repeat this all the way around. For the next round, we are going to be making a double crochet in every stitch. Round 10 will be a repeat of round 9, so you will need to make a double crochet in every stitch around. When you're done with that, just secure your project with a stitch marker and then cut off a long tail. Now we will be moving on to creating the drawstring for our pouch. We will go around this row to be able to cinch it up. For the drawstring, I used a contrasting color yarn, also of DK weight. I made a slip knot and then I chained 55. You can also chain more if you want a longer drawstring. Next, grab a tapestry needle and now we're going to be weaving the drawstring. Start by inserting your tapestry needle from the inside out and leave a bit of a tail outside, as that will be the one end of your drawstring. Reattach your tapestry needle to the other end of your drawstring. I decided I'm going to leave a 3 double crochet space in between where I insert my drawstring. So I'm just going in and out while leaving 3 double crochets in between each space. So now that I'm done with threading the drawstring through, I'll just get rid of the tail bits from the drawstring after securing them and ensuring that they're tight. The last step that we have left is weaving in the tails. Started by attaching my tapestry needle, and then I just inserted under a few stitches in one direction, and I will bring it back in the opposite direction while skipping the last stitch that I went under. I'll do this a few times for each tail, and then that's it. You're done with your project. Here we have the finished product. This is a really quick and beginner friendly project. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel. And if you do end up following my tutorial, make sure to tag me on Instagram or wherever you're posting it, because I would love to see your creations. And if there are any other tutorials you would like me to work on, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.